Nabil is a quiet man. He works in the city. Every day, he takes the train to work. He likes to sit near the window. He enjoys the silence. One morning, he sees a woman. She stands near him on the platform. Her name is Sophia. She has a soft smile. Nabil feels a little shy, but he smiles back. Every day after that, they see each other. They always share a smile. But they do not talk. They are both quiet people. One day, the train is late. Everyone is waiting on the platform. Nabil feels a little brave. He decides to speak first. He turns to Sophia. "Hello," he says. "My name is Nabil." Sophia smiles kindly. "Hello, Nabil. I'm Sophia." They talk a little. They talk about the weather and their jobs. Time goes by very fast. Soon, the train arrives. A few weeks later, Nabil misses his train. He runs to the station, but the train is gone. He feels sad. He will not see Sophia today. He thinks about her all day. The next morning, Nabil goes to the station very early. He wants to be sure he sees her. Sophia is already there. She looks a little worried. "Hello," she says. "I did not see you yesterday. Is everything okay?" Nabil smiles a big smile. He feels so happy. "I am okay," he says. "I just missed the train." They both laugh. From that day on, something changes. Now, they sit together on the train every day. They talk and share stories. Nabil tells her about his work. Sophia tells him about her family. Nabil doesn't feel shy anymore. He feels brave. He knows he likes her a lot. One evening, after work, he feels nervous but happy. He asks her, "Would you like to get coffee with me sometime?" Sophia says yes immediately. Her smile is bright. Their first date is a walk in the park after work. They talk and laugh. The city feels warm and beautiful. Simple train ride brought them together. A small moment changed everything for Nabil. He now believes in taking chances. Sophia looks at him and smiles. Their love story starts here, on a busy train platform. Sometimes, love arrives quietly, just like that.